What this network is simple. Like, we bring top investors, entrepreneurs, businesses, and startups together on one platform so that they can work together to realize their dreams.
My sale is around about 70,000 dirham per month. I need for you for the market experience. You have already many years in this market, but I need your experience.
I came here, Meer Group, and you are the most inspirational person for me because I have seen in your Facebook, Insta, and YouTube. I have seen, and you have given so much inspiration, and then I'm very inspired about this.
Find people who have similar vision, and if you work together, the power of two people or more people, it adds up and you get to your goal quicker. So I realized the power of networking, and that's what I'm doing since. Now we have Meer group of companies which has 13 clusters. In each cluster there are a few companies and then projects. So overall together there are some 50 different projects which we are doing. The network has a value more than, Dr. Sir, correct me, at least $1.5 billion. So the purpose today here, you guys come here, whatever your target is. If you're an investor, you will find the best opportunities among yourselves, as well as there are opportunities within the Meer group where you can invest, you can get some really good return, as well as play your part towards a positive impact in the world. Similarly, if you have a business, you're a startup, you're looking to launch here in Dubai or internationally, we have the platform where we can support you, and we can make you a multi-million-dollar business if we work together. I have my vision by 2030, I would be one of the richest guy in the world. Ambitious plan, but I'm way ahead. How I planned my life, I'm way ahead of that. So I'll be probably one of the richest guy in the world, but not for the money, for the impact.